Hello and welcome to lesson 66 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word with the GeForce IT Service Academy. Please, in lesson 65, we were able to do conditional formatting for the student detail sheet or the student database in order to be able to get the students that come into the school and go, or students that are no longer in the school. And we also dealt with how we can be able to clear the details of those students that are no longer existing in our system, or students that are no longer existing in our school. All right, so now the next thing that we are going to do is to work on the fees payment database system. But before we move to that side, let's just demonstrate something here. So let's click on the add, then we add a new student. So let's give it a name, Edwin. So we name it Edwin like this, Edwin Jar. Then the class of that student, let's assume the student is no longer existing in the school. Let's assume the student is no longer existing in the school. Then the name, the gender, then the gender is male. Then the date of birth like this, to 2000, like this, date of admission 2020. It's just a random date. So after that, let's leave the rest. Then we click on add or save. Good. So let's close the user form here and let's see what is going to happen. So it means the conditional formatting is working here without any stress. So in the previous lesson, we said if you want to delete the details of a particular student that is no longer existing in the school, you only come to this side, you select everything, you right click, then you click on clear content like this, then the details of that particular student is deleted successfully. All right, so in this lesson we are going to look at how we can be able to assign conditional formatting to the student fees payment database system. So let's quickly open the fees payment database system like this. Good. So in this case, we are going to use the class again. We are going to do the settings in the class column. So please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. If you are new to the channel, turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to get the notification and watch that particular video without any stress and without any problem. Please don't also forget to share the video with your friends. Share with everybody to benefit from us on this channel. Encourage them to subscribe to the channel and follow the lessons on this channel. All right, so what we are going to do once again is to select the whole table here like this. Let's select the whole table like this to the last end like this. Good. So let's scroll to the top here, then we come to home like this. We click on home, then we go for conditional formatting. But before we click on the conditional formatting, let's check the column in which the class is located. Let's check the column of the class. So the class is in column C here. This is column C, and we can get the details of the first student on row 6. We can get the details of the first student in column C on row 6. So please keep that one in mind. All right, so let's quickly run to the conditional formatting here. Then we click on it, then we click on set new row. Set new row. Then we click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. So we click on it like this. Then the space here will pop up for us to insert the formula that we are going to use to determine which cell to format. So we insert our equal to sign like that. Then we bring the dollar sign. So the name of the column is column C, and the row number is row 6 like this. Then we bring our equal to sign again. Then you bring your inverted commas again. So the statement is not in school. Not in school like this. So what we are going to do is to bring another inverted commas again to close it here. Now, after closing this particular statement here, we need to click on format here. So let's click on format. When we click on format, we are coming to the font first. So let's set the font color here. We want the font color to be black again. Then we come to fill. We want the background color to be red like this. So the next thing that we are going to do is to click on OK. Let's click on OK. So when we click on the OK, this is what you are going to see. This is what you are going to see. So let's click on OK again. So please, have you seen that the details of this particular student has been highlighted? Because in the class column here, we selected not in school for that particular student. We selected not in school for that particular student. So this is how you assign conditional formatting to the student fees database system. So don't forget to save your work. Always Control S to save your work. Control S to save your work. So let's check something here. Click on update fees. Then you see the student user form, the student fees user form here. So we click on it. That is the fees payment database user form, like this. So when we click on close and we scroll to the other side and we click on home, this should be able to take us to the home page like this. So we are working on the fees payment database system. These particular buttons, they are not working. These buttons here, they are not working. So what we are going to do right now is to assign macro to these particular buttons here. We assign hyperlinks. Sorry, what we are going to do right now is to assign hyperlinks to these buttons here. So you only have to click on the button, right click on the button, then you click on hyperlink, then make sure that you click on place in this document. Then what is the name of the particular button there? Check or add student details. So what are we going to do? Let's scroll to that side. Then we search for student details here. Click on OK. Then we come to check or add teachers details. So right click on it, assign hyperlink. Make sure that place in this document is selected. Then we move to teachers details. You click on it, then you click on OK. Add or check fees details. So you right click on it, select hyperlink, then let's search for fees payment. Let's search for it. Fees payment database system. Good, this is it. So you click on it and click on OK. Then we come to check students emis data. So assign hyperlink. There is a hyperlink already. Which hyperlink is that? Let's assign a new hyperlink. Then students emis data. Good, so it's here. Click on student emis data table like that. Then check teachers emis data. So let's right click. Let's remove that particular hyperlink. Let's assign a new hyperlink to it. Then we come to make sure that I place in this document is selected. Then we move to teachers emis data. Like this. Then you click on OK. So issue admission receipt. So let's right click. Then let's assign a hyperlink. Then let's make sure that a place in this document is selected. Then admission receipt, ADM receipt. So we click on OK like this. Then let's move to the last one here, confirm payment receipt. So let's right click, assign hyperlink, make sure that a place in this document is selected. Then we move to fees payment receipt like this. Then we click on OK. So this is how we assign hyperlinks to buttons in our school management system on the home page of the system. So when we click on add or check student details, it should be able to take us to that sheet. It should be able to take us to the students details. Good. So when we click on home, then we come to add and check fees payment details. It should be able to take us to the fees payment database system. When we scroll again and click on home and click on check students emis data, it should be able to take us to that particular sheet. Wow, When we click on home like this again and come to check teachers and miss data, it should be able to take us to that particular sheet here. Wow. So let's just check it. Let's check what is here. Good. So we are currently on the teachers and miss data sheet. Good. So here, let's check something. Let's see what we can do on this particular sheet here. As you can see here, there is no button here to send us back to the home page. So let's quickly left click and hold, then we drag this one down a little bit. Then we go to insert, we click on shape, we click on one of the shapes here, some nice one like this. Then we drag it to this side like this. Then let's format it. So let's come to format. Let's come to fill shape or shape fill or whatever. Then let's select this color. Let's come to shape outline. It should be white. Then let's come to shape effect. Let's give it some nice effect. I think this is good. Wow. Let's check it. Okay. Okay. So let's right click on it. Let's edit text. Let's name it home. Like that. So let's select everything like this. Like this. Then we bold it to Times New Roman. Let's change the font style. Let's change the font style to Times New Roman. Sorry, Times New Roman like this. Then we increase the font size like this. Then we center everything. So let's check it and see. Good. So we need to do something about that particular shape there. Let's increase it a little bit. Good. So we have our home button there. So what are we going to do next? We need to assign a hyperlink to this particular button. So let's right click on it and let's come to hyperlink. Then let's make sure that the place in this document is selected. Then we come to home like this. Click on it. Click on OK. Good. So when we click on the home button here, it should be able to take us to the home page now. But let's do something here. Good. So have you seen it? So we are currently on the home page. So now let's issue admission receipt. Let's click on it. Then we come to the admission receipt here. So when we click on home, it should be able to take us to the home page. Then we click on confirm fees payment. It should be able to take us to the fees payment receipt page. Then we click on home. We are back home. So this is how we assign hyperlinks to the various buttons inside our school management system. So we don't want this video to be long. We would like to end it here and continue in lesson 67, where we are going to learn how to assign conditional formatting to some areas of the teacher's detail table or the teacher's detail sheet or the teacher's database system, so that the system can be able to help us determine teachers that comes into the school and go. So thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload lesson 67, you'll be able to get a notification and watch that particular video. Please, if you face any challenge, don't hesitate to contact the numbers appearing on your screen so that we can help you out. WhatsApp us, give us WhatsApp messages. Let's help you out to also have a nice system like the one that we are developing here. So thank you very much.